Respected judges, teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to another person here. Technology, friend or a foe? When we think more about this topic, we will also get confused as we are receiving the news daily in that way. When we look around, we can see the impact of technology. We are not living in a world as it was 50 years ago. From the discovery of fire and invention of wheel, now the power of human reached up to Chandrayaan and Aditya and 1. This has all happened because of technology. Technology makes our work easy and accurate. Technology has become an integral part of our life. Technology has become more efficient and convenient. With smart home devices, we can control our lights, thermostats and appliances from our phones. And with online shopping, we can buy whatever we need without having to leave the house. We can use technology to increase productivity. There are many apps and tools that can help you manage your time and tasks more efficiently. The evolution of technology has made it possible to achieve lots right from the ring of the morning alarm to switching off the fan. Everything runs behind technology. Our daily needs are available on a screen at our fingertips. These innovations and technologies have made our lives a lot easier. Technology has not only helped us in a digital platform, but given innovations in the field of medical, educational, industrial and agricultural sectors. In older days, it would take days to get things solved. Now, many diseases can be diagnosed and treated within a shorter period of time. We can sit at home comfortably and make transactions through the use of online banking, online shopping, video calling and attending video lectures on the phone. With the invention of AI, the advantages are more than we think. But it has another side too, just like a coin. As we become so dependent on technology that we often avoid doing things on our own. As a result, it makes us lazy and physically inactive. This led to several health issues such as obesity and heart diseases. We prefer booking a cab online rather than walking a few kilometers. Technology has increased screen time and thus children are no longer used to playing in playgrounds, but are rather found spending hours on their phones playing video games. This has eroded children's creativity, intelligence and memory. No doubt the technology is a very essential part of our life, but we should not be totally dependent on it. We should practice being more fit and do regular activities on our own to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Now let's answer the big question. Is technology a friend or a foe? The truth is, technology is a friend, but only if you use it in the right way. It should help us, not harm us. That means we should use technology for learning and creating. We should spend time with real people, not just screens. And most importantly, we should use it with care and with limits. Remember, we are the boss of technology, not the other way around. Let's promise to use technology wisely, kindly and safely, so that it remains our best friend and never becomes a foe. Thank you and have a nice day.